I don't know.
The dolphin one?
Yeah.
Softball with pearls. See it, there we go.
Alright.
Uses any of those. Come on, some words on it.
Come on, big money, big money. Save it, save it, save it, save it. Yes, thank you. You want the grand? Go ahead. One more. That's one. Save it, save it.
Please remind us of what's the word.
Save it.
Anything.
Okay.
Alright.
Better than nothing. $35.
Alright, well, you know what to do. Hit
Well, this is a
the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, well, should have kept coming.
Alright, good. Money, money, big numbers, big numbers. Come on. Fill her up.
Put some words on it.
Keep going. Go ahead. Big money, big money, big money. Alright, save it. Save it. One more,
Save
one
it,
more.
save it,
save
save
it,
it.
save it. Nicole is a dolphin name. Pirates of Crash. Alright.
$35.
And then we need 3 dolphins.
Backup spins.
3 dolphins to get a bonus game. Those dolphins. We need 3 of those guys. More.
Alright, don't get push those buttons. See you on the next one. Alright. Here's the dolphin game still. Chase any of those, just have to bonus spins. Alright.
Come on. Pearl.
Get a pearl or a dolphin.
Or the lady. The mermaid. No. Come on. Big money. And something. Come on. Pearl. 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 Alright.
Last pile.
Oh, it's a banner, so we're good.
Alright, we'll need some big numbers. Need a big pearl.
Yeah, we need pearl. Pearl.
Need some mermaids and some pearls and then a dolphin.
Any order of that is fine. Come on,
Come on,
come
pearl, pearl, pearl. Pearl, dolphin.
She matches with me.
I wanted turtle.
No, you want a mermaid, a dolphin, or a pearl.
Come on, another dolphin.
Pearl, pearl.
Dolphin, pearl, dolphin, pearl, pearl. King.
You didn't ask for a king, that's for sure. $38.
Alright, $37.
Look, my friend.
Is that a dog?
I hope that's a dog.
Yeah.
Come on. Pearls.
Alright, don't forget to push those buttons, like and subscribe. And, oh, one more.
It's going. You went up in the bet, but nothing's happening. So
Keep us in the game.
$70. Okay, let's go. Big, come on, dolphins up.
Alright. We will see you on the next one. Alright, we're back once again. Trying to get any of those. Some with some blue and some green.
Big numbers, words. Mini, major, minor. Save it.
Come on, save it.
Son of a
Oh.
That's it.
That was a good one. Alright, $45. Gets us back over 200. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Alright, some more free spins. Here we go. Come on, Pearl it up. Come on, Dolphin. Pearl. Or Mermaid, it's wild. Right, Mermaid's wild.